This is attorney James Miller from Miller & Miller, and I'm here today to talk to you about something that's really important. And I know it's something that really stresses out most of our clients, and it's what to do if you get a garnishment or if you get a notice of a garnishment. So it's very scary, but I want you to know that we're here to help you. So if you get a notice of garnishment, the first thing you should do is call our office at 414-316-355. And so what is a garnishment, or what is a wage garnishment? If you owe a creditor money and that creditor is attempting to collect from you, many times they're going to try to go to court and take a judgment against you. A judgment is an adjudication by the court that you owe the debt. So once there's a court order that says you owe a certain creditor money, their next step is to try to collect from you. And oftentimes, if you're employed, they're going to do it through what's called a wage garnishment. A wage garnishment in the state of Wisconsin allows the creditor to take up to 20% of your gross wages. And it can be very scary and frightening to deal with a wage garnishment. So I want to talk to you a little bit about what you can do and what happens if that wage garnishment is going to leave you with little or no money to pay your bills. So when you get that wage garnishment, the creditor is going to send that wage garnishment to you and send it to your employer. But just because you get that wage garnishment doesn't mean that you actually are going to get garnished, because you will have the ability to respond and reply to the garnishment by filling out a form that's called a wage garnishment answer. So under certain circumstances, you're going to be able to avoid the garnishment if you are below the poverty line. Call us, we can help figure out if that's the case for you. If you receive public benefits, if you've previously filed bankruptcy on the debt that they're attempting to garnish you for, if you pay child support, if you filed a reorganization through Chapter 128 or Chapter 11, if you have any other pending garnishment. You see, if you can only get garnished once at a time. So if you get notice of a garnishment, they can't have two creditors garnish you at the same time. Each garnishment is valid for 13 weeks, and they can't take 40% of your wages. They can only take 20% of the gross each time you get garnished. What do you need to file and to protect yourself if you get garnished? You need to fill out the earnings garnishment answer. You can do that by going to Google and Googling Wisconsin earnings garnishment answer. Fill out that form. If you have one of these defenses, by filling out this form and timely getting it to the creditor and filing it, it will stop the garnishment. It's always scary filling out court forms like this. And I can't tell you how important it is for you to contact our office at Miller & Miller by calling 414-316-3555. For as little as $100 down, we're going to be able to help you figure out if we can stop the garnishment. And many times we are able to do that. So the next slide you'll see is a sample of what the earnings garnishment form looks like. And as you can see, I have a snapshot of the form, and you'll get this form and you're going to fill this out for your particular situation. And this is where you put in your defenses to the garnishment. Are you receiving food stamps or food share? Are you on Social Security? Or are you under the median income poverty line? Are you getting garnished by somebody else? Fill out this form timely, fill it out correctly, and get it filed according to the instructions when you get the earnings garnishment. But again, we're here to help you with this. You can give us a call. Again, 414, you see the number at the bottom of the screen, 414-316-3555. Bottom line, we're here to help. We can get that garnishment stopped for as little as $100 down. So call us today. We're here to help you.